Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube guide, and here I'll detail how to private all videos on YouTube in mobile. So if you're using iPhone or Android and you want to private your YouTube video, then here I'm going to walk you through two different approaches that allow you to do this. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first approach you can use to private all videos on YouTube is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then on the profile page, you can just go to view channel and click on it. Here, once you click on view channel, you have access to all the videos you have on this particular YouTube channel. Now, the next one to do here is this. Click on manage videos. On the manage video page, locate the video you want to private on your YouTube channel. So click on this three dots on the video. Then tap edit video. Then once you hit the edit button, you should see a page where you can easily edit a YouTube video. Just come here to visibility, click on it, and then set private. Then click on the save button. Once you set this to private, then you can see save changed. You need to repeat this on all the videos you want to change from public to private, and then hit the save button. However, there is no way you can easily private all your videos on your phone using YouTube application at once, so you need to do this one after the other. Then after that, repeat this on all the videos you have that you want to private. Then public, click on that, then private. So this is one of the ways you can do this using the YouTube application on your iPhone. Again, to private YouTube videos on your phone, either Android or iPhone, all you just need to go to your phone app store. In the app store, you want to search for YouTube Studio. So go ahead, search for YouTube Studio on your phone. Then download and install the YouTube video. So once you download and install the YouTube video, just go ahead and open it. Then sign into your YouTube account on the YouTube Studio using your email. Then here, if you come to your content, you have access to all the content you have on your iPhone. Now you can first check to see all your private videos. You can click on this menu option. Then here, click on private and click on apply. If you have any private videos here, you're going to have access to them. Now, to private your videos on YouTube, locate the videos you want to private again. Click on the three dots on it, click on edit. Then here, click on public, click on private. Go back and then click on the save button. Then you should see save changes. So you need to repeat this on all the videos you have on your iPhone that you want to private. So public, private, come back and then set them to private. So that is basically how to private all videos on YouTube. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.